Hey friends, if you wish to fix the Windows Update error 0x800f08a, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and resolve them if possible. The next solution is to reset Windows Update components, and this will surely fix the problem. So we have a script for you and I'll share it in the description section of the video. Okay, so copy the script. Okay, till the bottom. And then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator, paste the script and hit enter. So I'll show you what the script does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs, and then it will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services associated with Windows updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.